Hello, bug friends. Continuing on our virtual tour out here in the cloud forest, I wanted to show off on this tree all of this big spittly stuff. Now, this is all made by an insect called a spittle bug or a frog hopper, and we are going to pull one of these open so I can show you the bug that makes them.
Only the nymphs of the spittle bugs make the spittle. The adults don't. It's believed that it's primarily used for protection, firstly against dehydration because it's a wet, sticky substance, and secondly against predators. While it is non-toxic, the spittle, there's no toxic compounds in it, we think that it probably doesn't taste that great, and also it's just hard to find the bug in it. Here is my first attempt grabbing some spittle and just herp derping around in there trying to find the bug, and I just didn't find it. So this is the second spittle chunk. The spittle is made from respiratory air that is expelled through breathing holes on the thorax, and then from the fluid from the insect's butt. If threatened, they can hop away, but as you saw, they don't really. They're like, whatever. And when I was done, I just put him back in some spittle with his buddies, and he'll make more spittle and be just fine. As you can see, though, this tree is absolutely covered in them. Come hang out in the jungle with us and see these with your own eyeballs. Link in the various relevant places.